this afternoon with 98, the previous record 95 set in 1983. Tomorrow will continue averaging above normal, but conditions are already improving.
I'm 10 News reporter Travis Rice in the Otay River Valley, where a textbook victory for firefighters is another close call for neighbors who live above it. The cause of the fire is still under investigation, but neighbors say they wouldn't be surprised if it was a homeless campfire that got out of control because they live in the river.
They are dangerous because what if they comes all the way up here?
Crews put out the morning blaze in just 26 minutes.
Yeah, it's a fairly common place for fires. I've been here many times throughout my career as well.
The chief says they're working on getting to the bottom of this one.
We're still not out of it. We're still waiting for that rain.
Travis Rice, 10 News.
And to stay up to date on the latest weather conditions, download our 10 News app. You can get it for free in the App Store.
We have new information. The man who opened fire at that University City pool party had a high blood alcohol level, but no drugs in his system. Our 10 News reporter Steve Fiorina has the look at the medical examiner's autopsy results that were released just today.
New information today about that horrible shooting at that apartment complex 6 months ago. Insight, but no answers, and still frightening. Video from San Diego Police Helicopter Able, April 30th, looking down at La Jolla Crossroads Apartments. A lone gunman lying on a chaise lounge shooting at people. It was 49-year-old Peter Sellis, one day after a breakup with his girlfriend, on the phone with her as he fired a 9mm pistol into a birthday party at the pool deck.
Over that wall on the far side of the pool from you.
Sellis had been drinking heavily and boasting on the cell phone about going out in a blaze of glory. Sellis was shot 11 times, killing him, most wounds to the head, neck, and shoulders. His blood alcohol level registered .21, more than double the legal limit to drive. The medical examiner found no drugs in his system, no disease. Reena Patel lives nearby and had planned to go to Crossroads that afternoon.
So lucky. I'm extremely grateful because some of my closest friends actually live in Crossroads, and I go there virtually 3 or 4 times a week.
But plans changed that day, and she stayed home to lie down.
I woke up from my nap to hear about the horrible news that had just happened, and I actually burst out in tears because I realized that that could have been me walking through if I had gone just an hour before.
A sister told investigators that Sellis was a lifelong alcoholic and often had dark moods, but had never threatened to harm anyone. His bullets took the life of a young mother of 3 that day, Monique Clark. Steve Fiorina, 10 News.
All the